Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you edit your shortcuts on Snapchat, then you came to the right video, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and in a very easy and clear method as well. If that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the end and let's jump right into it. Now first, we need to get something out of the way. Since we're going to be using the Snapchat app, of course, open your Play Store or App Store depending on what device you're using, find Snapchat from there, and let's go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, quit from the store and let's open Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's go ahead and start for the first method. First, let's go ahead and take a picture by tapping here on the shutter, and then tap on next in the bottom right corner right here. And then from here in the top part of the screen you find this plus button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you find all of your shortcuts here. Tap on the one that you want to edit, and voila, from here you can edit the shortcut by tapping on people that you want to add, and of course tap on people that you want to remove as well. Just make sure the tick is right next to their name. In the top right here you can edit the emoji of your shortcut, and finally tap on save in the bottom to save the changes, and voila. And for the second method, quit from here and let's go ahead and open your chats category. So swipe to the left side of the screen or tap here in the bottom, and from here you can simply swipe down, and in the top you can swipe right and find this plus button, tap on it, and repeat the same process from here, guys. And that's basically how can you edit your shortcuts on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.